Okay, it's recording. Hey guys, how you doing? So we went to Cycle Gear Hicksville. We picked up these spools. Show them the spools, Jay. Right there. Now we're gonna figure out what size wrench we need to tighten them. They're actually pretty good quality, better than the Allen wrench or anything, because you can tighten them using a wrench. Okay, so I have an adjustable spanner, which I can also use. Or yes, I gotta use the adjustable spanner. Here's an adjustable spanner. That's your best friend if you want to do anything. Just open it up, tighten it up, and go around it gently, so you don't scratch anything. Be careful with it. Yeah, I think that should be good.
Yeah, it's probably good.
I'll just make it straight. You don't want to break anything either. That's done. This side, same thing. Tighten it. Now we need these swing arm spools basically because we want to put the rear stand on the bike and lift it up so we can adjust the chain on this. In a minute I will show you what a real chain slack is, because this is a brand new bike that Jay got, and it's the first time we are setting it up for him. So there you go. Okay, spools in just a little bit more. Get it flat like the other side so we can see. There you go. Okay, this is tight. Alright, so you see this, Jay? It's flat.
Yeah.
Okay, it shouldn't move, but if it does, it's an indicator to you next time that if anything has moved or if it's loose, needs to be tightened up. Alright, so you see this? Right there. Look. See that? Now that's the real chain slack. Look at this. This chain guard is, the chain is sitting on the chain guard, and the chain guard is getting scratched up. It's a brand new bike, so that just tells you on a new bike the chain will wear and tear a little bit and expand itself. On an older bike the chain has already expanded a lot, so it's going to be incremental. Once again, how to get it on, we'll put it on this spool right there. I put the my stand on the left spool first, make sure it's engaged, and roughly I'll keep the right side of the stand by the right spool. Now I will grab the bike and tilt it over, and I will position my stand under the spool, and I will just pick it up right here. There you go. So Jay's bike has spools now. Now we're going to work on the chain. For him, he actually needs 2mm. By the way, the spools are for the 2015 to 2017 Yamaha R1. They are 6mm spools, just in case if you want to get them. You can get them anywhere. These we got from Cycle Gear, and I like the quality. Like I said, you can put a wrench on it. It's more stronger, and it's not gonna slip. Okay, so now what I do is basically I will keep this one steady, and I will move that. So I will put this adjustable wrench on there and just hold it in place. There you go. Make sure it's tight on there.
You don't do the axle nut first?
What's that?
The axle nut first?
I just want to see if I can loosen it first. And then the axle nut. And this way. You know what? I'll do the axle nut first. Fuck it. On this bike, there is no cotter pin. On my bike, I was 100 pounds. On his bike, the torque specs say 137 pounds. Mine is set at 100, but I want to loosen it. So let me try it at 100 and see what happens. If not, I will go up. Like I said, the force should always be going down and not picking the bike up anyway, if I was to do it that way, whatever. So make sure always that the force is going down. Look at that. I was saying it and I'm correcting myself. Right. Yeah, his axle nut is on the right, mine is on the left, that's why I got confused. This is the right way to do it. Yeah, as you can see, my torque wrench is telling me this is more than 100 pounds. Okay, that's pretty loose. Now we'll work on the axle nuts. Well, the amount of slack that he has, look at that. Look at that. I gotta do a couple of turns before I start measuring it. And you can see on a new bike, it's not even registering it yet. As you can see that. Who's that? My grandma? Sorry, the garage is dirty if you see that, guys. So. There you go. I loosened his adjuster a bit. Okay. Loosen the other side. What you do on one side, you will do to the other side. Just to make sure everything is balanced out. Because if I don't loosen this side, the wheel will not want to move. Okay, now this has to be loosened up. There you go. Be gentle with these things, you don't want to mess it up. So now I can move his block. Look at that. How far is it going? I am at number 4 position.
I'm gonna go to 3, I guess. No?
No, not that quick. Not that quick. Now this one. Still a lot of slack.
Still too much.
We will go to 3 now.
So the chain's really lengthened a lot.
Yeah. See that? It's getting there, but it's not there all the way. So as a rough indicator, I will go to, well, this is 4.
Yeah, let's go to 3. And then
No, I'm gonna go
between 3 and 4?
3 and 4. Because really quick, couple of adjustments and the chain will be too tight. See that? How it's getting so tight?
Yep.
So you have to do it in a very controlled, incremental manner. Now the chain is getting tighter and tighter. I'm getting more and more careful and gentler. Look.
Yep.
That's tight on the other side.
So that's between 3 and 4?
Yeah, between 3.5. And then I will measure with the ruler, of course. It's amazing how this is much easier than the other side. Or maybe because I was going the wrong way then. There you go. There you go, between 3 and 4. This side, right? So okay. Let's see. I'll move this nut up as I know is this between 3 and 4?
Mm-hmm.
That's more like it.
Measure the chain slack now?
Yeah. I'll set yours at 20-30 millimeters too, right?
25 to 35 millimeters.
35 millimeters?
Yeah.
Okay, so pick like a center point. I'm gonna pick it where it's straight, I guess, right here.
Pick it where it's the lowest, I guess.
Where is your master link?
That's a good question.
Again, the master link.
I might not even have a master link.
Of course you do. Everybody has a master link. The only question is it the same color though? Oh look, you have a DID chain. I have a DID chain. So that's a good indicator. I don't think he has a master link. Well, he has a master link. I don't
Just
know.
a different
It's
color,
just
that's all.
different color. It's just like a regular color than any of them. Yeah, I don't see anything on it so far. Do you? Do you see
No,
anything?
I don't see it. No, I don't see
Alright,
it.
so I'll just go with
From
this.
do it from where it's the wherever it's the
525.
lowest.
Oh, look, so your chain is 525 minus 530. What that means is that your chain is a little bit narrower and lighter than mine, but it's still good because it's picking up that much horsepower. You want to do it from there?
Let's do it from here.
Let's do it
Center
from here.
between the two sprockets, so maybe a little over that way.
Yeah, I was trying to do it right here, you know.
That's closer though.
See, now over here, it will not be straight. If I do it from here, actually, that's good.
Yeah, okay, that's good.
Because I can keep my ruler straight then, right?
Yep.
Fuck my life. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay. So you see that it's a 4.5 right there? You see that?
Yep. So now,
Coming down to 6. Going up to 2. That's 4 millimeters. Still need to, let's try it over here, see what happens. It's the same story, just to check it out, because I've never done this bike before. So this is at 6. Coming
7.
down to 7.5. Going up to 3.5, 4 millimeters.
yeah. So
We
little
need
tighter?
at least 10 millimeters less. Right? Or 1 millimeter.
well, 4 centimeters.
4 centimeters, right? So 10 millimeters. There you go.
Right, right. Yeah, I guess I want it at 30, between 25 and 35.
You have to go to 3. I'm going to go to 3 now.
Okay, yeah.
Sorry, I was fixing the wrong nut. I'm supposed to lock it up. There you go. I'm going to go to 3. I feel comfortable that at 3 it should be good. What do you
Damn,
think?
that shit was really loose. I can't believe how loose it was.
Yeah, bro, you're lucky. You don't.
Basically, for a new rider, I'm lucky I didn't fall and kill myself. I have the chain bind.
No, that's too tight. You see that already?
Yeah, yep.
I gotta move it. Go back. That's why I tell you, when you're getting to that perfect amount of slack, yo, Jay, just watch out. Let me kick this thing in a bit.
That's probably good. It's probably
More
perfect.
like it. Let's just measure it from
You didn't do the
here,
other
since
side,
it
though.
doesn't make a difference. What? No, I'll do it once I just check the slack here first. Then I will check it again, because you gotta do this, go back and forth to take these
Yeah,
measurements.
I
a
want
couple
to make sure
of
it's like, perfect.
times. Okay, so
So
it's
you
a
measure it
little
from the nut on it.
little bit more, like from this rivet.
Yeah,
right
yeah,
there.
from the rivet. Yeah.
So this is a 4.5 right now. It was a 6 before, right?
I don't remember.
I think so. 5.5 is 6. Coming down.
To 6. A little less than 6. 5.5.
Actually, you know what? Let me come down and I'll see better there. Okay, my hand is there. The ruler is there. Let's move. Sorry. Let's move this chain back there. Okay. 4.5 to coming down to 6, going up to 2.5. That's 35.
3.5. Yeah.
35, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it just a little bit tighter, so it's in between. You know what I mean?
Yep. Yep. Yeah, it should be good.
Should
Half
be
turn.
good. So let's see. So 4 now. 4 to 5.5 to 2.5.
3.
All right. So that's 30 millimeters right there. 3 centimeters. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock this nut in.
And measure that.
And then I'm going to do and measure it. I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. So I'm going to hold this in place. Actually. feel comfortable. That is not going to slip. Come on, buddy. So narrow, some space. No, he's roughly right at 3. So let me get to 3 and I'll fine tune this. Wow, your whole block is out, and that's why this one's much easier to read than the other side. You see that?
Probably because that's the side of the axle nut, no?
Yeah. You know what? Just for that, let me tighten it up a bit. So I don't want to see that much variance in there. Just tightening it. Just a couple of. This is respectable. It's not too tight, but the axle nut is straight in there. Yep. Alright. So now, that is the control side where the chain is. Everything is perfect. I measured from this side, right? So there you go. Okay. So from there, I'm gonna go by this bottom thing right there. Okay. Let's do it in millimeters because that's more accurate. This is at, what is this? 18 point, between 18.2 and 3. So I'm gonna make that between 18.2 and 3. Let's see, so I will go by that. Oh. What the fuck happened here? I was measuring by this, right?
Yeah, you're measuring at the bottom.
I gotta find a way. So if it's here, and it's going to 18.2 and 3, that is 2.2 or 3, right?
I don't know.
20, 18, that's 2, 2.2.
Is it right at 20 though?
What?
It's a little longer than the 20.
Look, this is longer.
Oh,
too.
yeah, true.
That's why. So 2.2 or 3. Let's see. Again, you should mute this. It's not a safe working environment the way I'm doing it. You guys can be a little bit more safer and wiser than me. It's actually pretty good, Jay. It's right there, it grabs back in the middle. It's more to 2.2. It's out a little, I think. But it's so minute of a difference, I will just give it a little bit. Just a little bit. There you go. Okay, let me kick it in. Between 2.2 and 2.3. Let's see this side. Right there, between 18.2 18.3. Alright, so I'm going to lock the nut now on this side. I'm going to hold this in place. I'm going to tighten this. Okay, I'm going to check the slack one last time. I'm going to tighten the axle nut. Okay. So we were here, right?
Yeah, it's about halfway.
This is our 4. Going down to 5.5. 2.5. There
3.
you go.
Perfect.
Perfect. Alright, so I'm going to tighten the axle nut now. He says it's 137. I will loosen my torque wrench. I will make it 140 even, because that's easier. And the 3 pounds is not going to make a difference. And there you go. I wish that you had a cotter pin, bro. That's a safer thing to do.
Yeah.
A lot of things with this bike,
Can you put one in there? No, you can't.
you can't.
Here, I could buy a new.
You gotta
I could
drill. You gotta drill through it to be able to do that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You could drill through the nut and the whole thing, this whole shebang. But if they're saying 137, then
Yeah,
they
yeah.
know what they're doing. You know. Again, righty tighty, 140. So
I'm gonna do it with the exhaust in the way.
what's that?
I'm gonna do it with the exhaust pipe there in the way. I guess you could put it down further and push it past.
No, don't worry about it. I got 140. It's gonna fit. Alright, got you, bro. Fucking Hercules. He's Greek, so. There you go.
Perfect.
Once
Perfect.
it clicks, it's a 137. Now we'll make sure one more time that it's tight. There you go, it's tight.
Shit's not going anywhere.
Now the fun part. The test ride, leave the tools out because you might not be done yet. Alright, so we'll see you guys after a little break, alright? Press the red button.